the type petty I am. That's how I had to get Zay back. He get in my car and he leave trash all the time. Leave trash. He move my seat, move my mirrors and shit. Don't put it back. So now I got in his car. I push the seat all the way back and push it back a little further. Push the seat all the way back. I moved his mirrors out to where he can't see, and I even readjust the steering wheel. Yeah, I'm gonna teach him about getting in my car, readjusting my stuff. I think I got a seat linked on. Yeah. See, he right there. He right there training. All right, nigga, have a good day. Damn, why the fuck you put my shit back like that? Yeah. You know how you get in my car and keep moving shit around and fucking up my shit, moving my mirrors and shit? Yeah. I unclipped your seatbelt and all that. Yeah. I was waiting for your ass to get in there. Adjust your mirrors and shit too, cause I rearranged all of your shit. Coochie.
What's up, Playboy?
Good.
All right, so looking here, tell me what you think.
Hey.
This can be the new location. Woodlawn, shopping center, a lot of exposure. What you think?
Where we gonna train at?
See where that truck at?
Yeah.
The whole bottom area down there. I already walked it off. We can get like 3 lanes. Here, we can do everything. We can have office. We can have a classroom. Training spot. A little bit of everything.
So you saying both of these? Or just one?
I mean, I haven't really thought about that, but if we do one, that'll be enough for you office, me an office, a classroom, an office, you know, like just to like hold meetings or something like that. When Chris come up here and do his presentations, you know, the DOT guy, can do a little bit of everything. I mean, if we do both.
How many lanes you think we can get?
Easily 3. I already walked it off. I already measured, did everything. 3 lanes. So we had 3 classes going on at a time.
You got 3 on the course.
1 on the road, 1 or 2 on the road. Pre-trip. And we got people in here in the classroom.
It's a nice area.
That's what I'm saying. It ain't a lot going on. It's accessible to the highway.
Yeah.
You got 70 right there. You got 695. You got Route 40. You got Security Boulevard.
What you think they want them out for this place?
I don't know. You know, commercial. I'm assuming this spot probably costs about $3,000-4,000 a month. Somewhere between $3,000 and $5,000.
That's not bad. So
we
have to go in here and fix this.
We're gonna have to put some money into it because it's just bare.
Yeah. Just a roof and some walls.
But we could. So, a little break room.
Yeah.
Ain't gotta be too big.
We would probably definitely need that side because it don't look like this side will have a bathroom.
Yeah, I think so. Like if you see right here, if you put a wall straight back, right?
That's what I'm saying. But we would need that one. This side don't have no bathroom over here.
I mean, we don't know until we get inside there.
Yeah. I'm just saying.
But I'm sure they got the plumbing, the piping, and all that.
Oh, okay.
So we can get Onk come up here, Daryl come up here, look at it, give us an estimate on what it costs, Cuzzo. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Give an estimate on what it costs. But this ain't nothing but sheetrock. Go straight down the middle. If we just get one side, go straight down the middle. Do the bathroom, 2 offices, classroom.
Nice sign out here.
Yeah. And not only one, it's gonna be a sign here, it's gonna be one on the roadside too.
Oh yeah, on the big joint.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like right there, 3 lanes, park the trucks right there.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to clean up a little bit. They're a little dirty around here,
dirty.
but you know, be all right.
What you think about this?
It's all right. To me, it's small.
Yeah.
Ain't enough space because you got the poles in the way.
Yeah.
That's, you know, I like it. The color scheme, the location, but the lot, I don't think it's big enough.
Yeah.
You know, we talking about growing at the level that, you know, that we projected. We're gonna grow out of this real quick.
But look at the traffic we get on Righteoustown Road.
I understand the traffic. I understand the traffic 100%. I love the location, but the lot is not big enough. Like, just think about it.
But we can make this lot work.
Yeah, we can make it work if we think it's small. We're gonna get it. We're gonna lock ourselves into a lease, and it's not gonna be big enough for what we need to do.
Yeah.
So it's gonna stagnate us when it's with the money that we can get. We're gonna have to turn away people, and I don't want to do that. You know, the building is perfect.
Color scheme.
Location is perfect. The colors already match what we want. I love that.
Yeah.
But the lot ain't big enough, and that's the challenge. Finding the spot, the lot big enough. Then they got all the sidewalks. You got the dip in it. You got the poles in the way. You know what I'm saying? They got 1, 2, 3, 4 poles in the way. It's cool if everybody we train could drive. You know, you get those students sometimes who just can't drive and they just, you know,
Damn, I love Righteoustown.
be all over the place.
This Righteoustown Road, though, we would kill right here.
Yeah, you definitely would.
All right, old man, decision time. We got 3 locations we got to choose from. Woodlawn, Righteoustown Road, 25th Street.
Okay.
Righteoustown Road going to give us that good traffic up and down the street.
It's too small.
Woodlawn.
A lot too small.
All right, Woodlawn. It's going to give us good traffic, good area. Landlord don't seem the best, though.
Asshole.
Then we got 25th Street. 25th Street, the building is a dump. The grounds is a dump. But we need to choose one of them. We've been searching for a better part of 2 years now.
Yeah. So.
And we got the Pikesville problem.
Yeah. So I really want Woodlawn, right? You really want 25th Street. Let's check with the lady Julie about Woodlawn. If it comes through, we get both of them. Right? We get the Woodlawn and we get 25th Street. You want 25th Street? I want Woodlawn. That'll solve the Pikesville issue.
Okay.
And then at 25th Street, oh, I fucking hate that spot.
Be a lot of work, but I think
it's gonna be a lot of work. But
Woodlawn gonna be a lot of work.
Nah.
You got a sheetrock?
No, the inside is done.
You talking about, okay, so which one in Woodlawn? Because remember the one we looked at, that was the one that was not done. So, but then the one that she took us in to see was the one that was done, inside.
But the ones that's not done, remember she said they're not available because it's a BG&E issue.
That's right. That's right.
The one, so we got 2 that's available. The bigger office and the smaller office.
One.
Both of them
are done,
of
but
minimal work. You know
yeah,
what I mean?
yeah.
We paint them.
Mm-hmm.
You know, if we want to add up a wall, a divider,
Something
or something
simple.
like
Yeah,
that's minimal work. That we in and out of that. You know what I
yeah,
mean?
yeah.
And the location. You know, I love the location. You got 70 right there, 695 right there. You know,
Security
all
Boulevard, you can ride up and
security,
down.
exactly. All big open roads.
That's what I
You
need
know,
to do
for the new drivers.
at 25th Street. Ride
25th
around
Street,
there and find some good places
exactly.
to ride. I think Edison Highway would be good.
You got
Maybe North
Hearn
Avenue.
Parkway, Edison Highway,
Yeah.
North Avenue, but we just got to find the main major roads. And you know they got some underpasses over there. We got to see if they're tall enough,
Yeah.
just so, you know, letting the employees know, hey, don't make a wrong turn and go down
Don't
these
go that
streets.
way. Yeah.
Understanding how.
Because we came out, went down, you make the left down there by the bus station, past the fire station, and then take that over to, I'm sorry, my bad. Come out, go to Broadway. Take Broadway to Monument to Edison Highway. But we would have to do that drive. Students can't do that drive from here to there.
And that's what
when
I'm
we
saying.
Get there, then they can take over.
We got to learn the area, so
yeah.
You know, if a student do, we can pull them out, and they can take over.
Yeah.
Because I think if we take that and go up to, I think that's Harford Road or something like that.
Yeah.
Like that's an open area for a student to be able to make good maneuvers and don't have to worry about nothing tight. But
and it's gonna be important if we do that, leaving on time.
Yeah.
Right, because
traffic.
Gotta get up there.
Yeah.
By the time you get up there and they take over, that's 15, 20 minutes.
But I mean, the point is, the Woodlawn, it's not gonna take no money. 25th
minimum
Street,
money.
25th Street,
because it's gonna take some money.
25th Street, we're gonna spend about 80, 75, 100,000 just getting it up to par to look nice.
Yeah.
Because, you know, I don't believe in working out of no dumps. You know what I mean? Like, you know, I like to make it presentable for the students, make them feel comfortable. You know what I mean?
80,000 though?
Easy. Think about it. We already got quotes on getting the grounds done because the ground is all got potholes everywhere, not level, not even.
Yeah.
We got one quote for 127,000.
That was just for the grounds,
right? That was just to do the grounds.
Yeah.
Then the fencing, we want to get a new fence. We got one quote for 30-something thousand.
Yeah.
I know we can get it done cheaper, but you know.
Then we talking about doing the entire building.
Then we got to rehab the building because the building,
windows, paint,
everything. Yeah. You know what I mean?
Floors.
I already priced it. The sign they were talking about was like 13,000. So my idea, I never said nothing, is get a mural painted on the side of the wall.
Okay.
With the logo, the school logo, you know, and you know, like a skyline of Baltimore City or something like that. I think that'll pop more.
Instead of spending a lot of money on sign, we just get something painted.
Exactly.
More cost effective.
Yep.
I like that.
So once we get, you know, the new fence, the grounds paved, inside done, that might take a month or two just.
So what would
fixing the spot up?
What would the budget be and the timeline be?
You know me, I want things done right away. So I'm going with who can.
It typically don't happen like that.
I'm going with who can do the job quickly and effectively. Like, you know, now I ain't talking about just throwing something together. Whoever can do the job for a fair price. You know, I understand people prices they price, but a fair price. You know what I mean? Don't beat me in the head.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I get some quotes, see some of their prior work, and go from there.
So we're gonna call Woodlawn, figure out if we can get it or we can't, and then we're gonna go with also 25th Street.
Yes,
25th Street is, I think that's on the table. I think we can get that one.
Yeah, definitely. From
Woodlawn, we're just gonna have to figure that out. And, all right, so if we can't get Woodlawn,
I got a backup plan.
we got a Pikesville problem. Then
I got a backup plan. I've been thinking about it for a long time. Where we park the trucks at, take over the whole lot. I just
Probably
offer,
big enough.
just offer them more money.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
How many lanes you think we can get?
We can get 2 good lanes.
Yeah.
You know, maybe 2 straight back lanes, 1 full lane, or 2 full lanes. We can make it work.
And then there's a spot across the street, an office building.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure if it's anything available or not, but it is. It's one across the street to the left, and it's one across the street right down the
Already
road.
checked.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been doing a little homework, a little, you know, but I already checked, and it is spots available. That way, everything right there in one spot.
Yeah.
So that's just a matter of hollering at Alex, seeing
See
if
what
it's
he
even
say.
doable for him to let us take over the whole lot.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So either way, you know, I would like for the Woodlawn thing to go through. If not, we got the backup plan. So that's taken care of. One of them gonna come through. You know.
It's all about Pikesville issue.
And 25th Street, we just gotta bite the bullet.
It's a lot of money. Whole lot.
Hey, it gotta be. Listen.
We need a home base though. Like we
at
need
the point where it has to be done. We have grown out of where we at.
Same thing they were saying in Frederick.
That's what I was just about to say. Remember they told us in Frederick, hey, we started out just like that. And then eventually, you know, they said, you know, gotta go.
Keep running you off, yep.
And we at that point, you know what I mean?
Yeah.